Crazy Chef Productions. Our next burger, we've done the Brexit burger, we're going to do a Polish burger. And we're going to do the Polish burger, we're going to have our patty burgers, what we've made, the meat patties. We're going to have some fried potato slices, top and bottom. We're going to have some bacon, there's some bacon in it, we're going to have a slice of cheese in it, and we are going to have a toasted bun, but it's not an ordinary bun, it's a brioche bun. So look at this and think of Poland. Anyway, right, the old put the flag at the top of the flag at the top of the burger. Right, okay, right now I'm going to go to the hob, and right, we've got some lovely potatoes cooking on the back burner, but they're nice and golden. And then I'm going to put the burgers on the front. I've got 2 burgers. I've baked them flat, they should be alright. Put them on. These are the rest of the ones we made the other day. Do look at our video on how to make the beef patties, because I've got that as a separate video, otherwise it's taken too long. You need to keep your hands clean doing all this because it gets a bit rather sticky, messy and all the rest of it. So here we are, just put the burgers in, turn them over quite often, get a nice brown top and bottom. These potatoes are, I wouldn't exactly call them sautéed because they're normally chunkier. These are flat potatoes. We wouldn't call them chips, they're just flat potatoes cooked so they're brown on each side. And I put this under the burgers, basically, under and over. Potatoes are done, I've just covered them up to keep them warm, turn the heat off. The burgers are done, nearly done. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a couple of slices of streaky bacon in. Lovely sizzles. Incidentally, the potatoes are done. I didn't use olive oil, I used groundnut oil, but I just sprinkled some ground black pepper and some bit of sea salt just to flavour it. Right, turn these burgers over, it should be practically done. Right. Yeah. Well, one of these burgers I'm just going to put a bit of Edam cheese. I usually use mozzarella. And put a bit of Edam cheese over the top and let it melt into the burger. I'll turn the heat down and be ready to plate now. Brioche burger. Right, look at that. Put some potatoes on the base. Burger on the top. This has got cheese on it as well. This is going to be quite big, I think. Little more potato. And then I'm going to put some bacon. Yeah, bacon. Oh. Bacon on it. Bit of lettuce. Tomato sauce, ketchup. lettuce, a bit more lettuce. Bit of tomato. It's going to fall off. Put the potato on it. Put the top of the bun on. And stick the flag in it. So this is a Polish burger. Big pate covered with cheese, bit of bacon on top, and potato, but underneath and on the top, bit of lettuce, bit of tomato. Now I'm going to eat it.